Hi there, it's Heather from Earth Mama, and I'm here to talk to you again today, unfortunately, about a pest called the Asian beetle. A very wise man, Gord Downey, once said, "Everyone's got their breaking point." For him, it was spiders. For me, it's been watching the Asian beetles destroy my evening primrose. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what it looks like after. I planted the evening primrose because of its medicinal properties. I wanted to use it in my soap. I make my own homemade soap, and it's good for the skin. And I also wanted to grow it to use in my tea. The damage that he's done to my primrose is just unbelievable. I came out here yesterday. There was probably like 50 of them eating this primrose. I've been struggling with the Asiatic beetles for a few years now. They come back every year. I've never seen them come back like this. This year has just been brutal. We've had so many of them, and that's why I decided to try the borax and water solution. So in this bucket is water and borax and dish soap, and they don't like it. They're dying in there. I don't love that, but I can't have the damage that they're doing in my garden either. It's important to have steep sides on the bucket and the water at the bottom. I tried beer in a bowl. They just laughed at that. I haven't had any success with diatomaceous earth. They're not soft-bodied enough. I've heard of other people having success. Myself, I haven't seen it. So what I'm actually doing is, with a pair of gloves on, walking down my garden rows, picking them off and throwing them in the bucket. Here is some of the damage that they've made of my bean leaves. These are my black bean plants, and you can see that they're trying to flower. And I don't want my plants struggling with the stress of this kind of a pest attack when they're trying to put off flowers. I want them to put their energy into producing flowers so that I have a nice, abundant black bean crop. So as much as I am not generally into destroying life, I am into oneness, and I believe all creatures have a place in the universe. I am going to have to go against that because it's either them eating or my family. And the beetles didn't plant this garden, I did. So this is what I've been doing. So here's one that is destroying my snow peas. I hate touching them. Another thing about them is they're constantly doing it, like these two are. You know how many beetles today I've interrupted mid-coitus? But those are exactly the ones I want to get because they're just going to spawn hundreds. So I'm going to try to grab them and throw them in the bucket. And they're in there. And they're swimming for now. But the borax will kill them. And like I said, I don't love that. But I don't love what they're doing to my garden either. And they're not moving anymore. So that's it, guys. Just a little borax and water in a bucket, put a glove on, throw them in there. I have a lot less this morning than what was out there yesterday, and hopefully if I just keep doing this for a few days, I'll be able to really limit the spread, especially if I catch those ones that are constantly doing it. if you have a better solution, I would love to hear it. Post it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get an update on how this turned out, and also see some of the canning and preserving and seed saving videos that I'm going to be doing later on in the summer. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great day.